Alright, Corey, I don't know how you're still on the team, but before you can become eligible, you gotta learn some derivatives and some integrals. Alright, Corey, I don't know how you're still on the team, but before you can become eligible, you need to learn how to do some derivatives and integrals. Are you even listening to me? Give me that.
Hey, get your hands off. What are you doing? I'm dead because of you.
Alright, well, let's get started now. Alright, so let's start off with your name. Good God. Good thing we're doing math. Alright, so first we're going to start off with some derivatives. You know what a derivative is, right?
Of course I know how to drive.
Alright, so let's start off with some simple derivatives. We'll start off with f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. Find f prime of x. No, that's not it. F prime of x equals 2x plus 2.
Why is that?
Alright, look, I did it for you here. So, you bring this 2 down from the exponent here, so 2x, and then you take this 2 and you subtract 1 from that exponent, and then you go into the next term, and you have 2x, x to the 1, subtract 1 from that exponent, and then you get rid of this last term because it doesn't have an exponent. So 2x to the 2 minus 1 is 2x to the 1 plus 2x to the 1 minus 1, which is 0. So 2x to the 1 is just 2x, and then 2x to the 0 is 2 times 1, which is just 2. So f prime of x is 2x plus 2. Alright, so I wrote another one down. Try this one out.
Alright.
Can't forget that name, huh?
Nope. My teacher's telling me I'll get a 0. Alright, so bring down the 1/2 because of the square root. Then you get 4x plus 1. And you subtract 1/2.
Oh, don't forget that chain rule.
Oh, you're right. You multiply the 4, and that equals 2 times 4x plus 1 and minus the 1/2. And then that's your answer.
Alright, well done. Alright, let's move on and do some integrals.
I can do intercourse. Feel me?
Save that for a locker room, Corey.
It's cold red.
Alright. Alright, Corey, so I have an example here, and I'll walk you through this one.
Alright. Don't forget the name.
Alright, okay.
Don't want that 0.
Alright, so basically what you're going to do here is you're going to go backwards from this function. So this is x to the 1. So instead of taking away 1, you're going to add 1. So it's x to x squared. And when you take the derivative of this, it's going to be 2x. So at the same time, you have to divide by 2, so that when you bring this exponent down, it becomes x. Then you move on to the next term, and it's pretty simple. It's just 5x, and what you can't forget is plus c. And what c is, it's just a constant that can represent any number that pertains to this function, but in this case we don't know that number, so this is your integral.
Alright.
Alright, Corey, so I got another integral for you. It's a little more complicated, so try it out.
Alright. So it's going to be x cubed over 3 minus 3x squared over 2 plus 2x plus c. And that, I believe, is your answer.
Alright, well done, Corey. Well, alright, Corey, looks like you're going to pass your next test.
Alright. What are my chances of playing?
About 1 in a million.
Thanks, Mr. Teach Man. Thanks, Mr. Teach Man. I passed my intercourse exam. I'm going to the NFL.